Hi, Greg from Trump Trader again. Just want to talk a bit about the price on the Euro USD and what to look for over the next couple of days. We're looking at the 4-hour charts on the time frame here, and I've kind of just drawn out a couple lines that I like. Not necessarily going to be the end-all be-all, but something I'm going to be looking for when I'm looking at the euro. Um, one thing I do like to look at when I look at trend lines or horizontal lines, are always 2 points of contact or congestion, and the more you have and the longer of time frame that you're looking at, the more significant that trend line or horizontal support and resistance line actually is. So I always look for that on no matter what time frame, but the higher the time frame, the more significant. So we're looking at the 4-hour, and I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on this trend line. So it's a line that you want to kind of take serious, and you're going to want to see how the price reacts to this specific trend line right here, this long one. And you just find it odd how it just actually stopped at that. So it could be obeying this trend line, or it may not be. We don't know, but let's just see how it reacts over the next couple days. Um, let's go zoom into the hour here. We've been getting trouble getting past this area of 48.50 to 55ish over the past couple of days. There were some significant points here that it was trying to get past. You can see the congestion points here, 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 and here. So those are basically a week's worth of congestion, and so those are pretty significant. So let's see how the price reacts to when it comes down to the 48.55ish. It could act as support now, or it could break through and then come back up and act as resistance. So let's see how the price reacts to this support and resistance line. This is the one that's in the closest proximity to the price currently. So those are the prices to look out for over the next day or two. I think there is news coming out tomorrow, but I know there is a major one Friday. So let's see how the price sets itself up to see how it can use itself as an excuse to move. So either it could be obeying this trend line, like I said, this is the 4-hour trend line, and it could bounce down to this lower end trend line here, or it could break through and then it would just then use this support trend line as support now. So let's just see how that reacts. Other than that, I'm going to kind of wait and see how the market sort of makes itself out to be over the next 12 hours, and I'll update on my site and see if I can make any trades over the next 12 hours. Thanks.